today's video, I'm going to be replacing the alternator on my 240. There's no output until you hit 2500 RPM, then it'll kick on. So I had to do that every time I start it. I had to rev it out just for it to kick on, and that's why we're replacing it. First thing we're going to do is take out the battery terminals. I have an aftermarket skid tray, so I'm going to take that off. Alright, trays out. A fan shroud just for easier access to the mount bolts. $10mm. $8mm for the ground wire. $14mm for the lower mount bolt. Alright, we'll leave it loose for now. I guess I didn't record, but I just unbolted the tensioner. I was able to get the belt off. Now we'll take out the top bolt that goes to the top of the alternator. Alright, we'll line it up the same. Make sure that they're oriented correctly. This way you don't have to mess with wire lengths and all that. And so you're not fighting it, putting it in. Make sure this little bushing is pressed out, so when you go to install the lower end, it slides in. And then when you tighten the bolt, it'll bring the bushing in. Alright, that's snugged up. You just want to go finger tight, and then it'll pull itself in. So now we'll go ahead and then we'll put the tension on. It calls for a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch play. Should be good. Go ahead and lock it down. Upper bolt is torqued. Alright, good. All right, good to go. Now let's start it. And there you go. You saw that it was live as soon as you started the car. And that's how you replace an alternator on a 240. Hopefully this video helps you. Have a good one.